Hello, in this video we will be dissecting a sheep's kidney. So let's get at it. There we go. Okay, so this is the kidney. I'm gonna start showing you some parts of the kidney. So over here, this is the medial concave part of the kidney, and in it is located the hilum, which includes the ureter. I'm not sure which one's the ureter. It's really smushed together. It's not really easy to tell, but it contains the ureter, the renal and the renal arteries and veins, some lymphatic vessels, and nerves. It's all in this area over here. Over here, like this outer space over here, which is a little bit darker, this is the renal cortex. Over here, see, this looks like a renal pyramid, one of the many. The space in between, let's see if I can find one. Okay, this looks like, okay, I'm sorry, I think the video stopped by accident, but I'm going to continue from where I left off. So I showed you this is the cortex, this little darker area. These triangular shapes over here all around in the renal medulla, these are called the renal pyramids, and the space in between two pyramids is called the renal columns. Okay, and then we have minor calyxes and major calyxes. I think this looks like a minor calyx, right? It's coming out of a pyramid. Each pyramid has a minor calyx it drains into, and then a major calyx, and then this looks like it's the renal pelvis over here. And I think that's it pretty much. I can't really differentiate between the different veins and arteries, and I can't even tell which one is the ureter really. But yeah, that is the sheep kidney dissection. Thank you.